take wine and the young goat.
Amen.
Ufike uthi uhamba uyosacrifice uNkulunkulu. But I, the Lord, I will show you which man. Asawufika uSamuel pha. I was reading it yesterday.
Amen.
Samuel, what he did, he paraded his best sons. Babizwa bonke onyana bakhe. Abesithi Samuel, no. Jesse abazisa to Samuel, no. But where is another one? But there is a young one, man. Pha ehlathini is looking after the sheep. And Samuel said, go and call him. And when he said that, he said, no one is going to sit down until he arrives. You must watch the details of the Bible. And then they went to call David. Immediately when Samuel saw David, God confirmed what he anointed him. This is the man that I am after. Ujese wayejonge ntoni onyana bakhe abakhulu who are fit to be kings. I was blessed when I heard how described that Saul.
Amen.
Saul is coming from the tribe of Benjamin.
Amen.
Now, public tribe of Benjamin, Saul had an image of the king, visible, fit, everything, but he did not have the heart of God.